In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Stand store. This process will enable you to transfer your earnings to your bank account linked through Stripe. Begin by logging in to your Stand store dashboard. Ensure you have your account credentials ready. After entering your information, click the login button to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the income section in the main navigation menu. This area provides an overview of your earnings and financial transactions. Click on income to proceed. After selecting income, you will see various options related to your financial activity. Locate and click on the cash out button. This action will take you to the cash out interface where you can manage your withdrawals. Next, you will need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check your available balance to ensure you are not requesting more than you currently have. Enter the desired amount in the provided field. Once you have entered the amount, look for a confirmation button, often labeled as confirm or submit. Click this button to finalize your withdrawal request. After this action, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. The funds will be transferred to your bank account linked through Stripe. Keep in mind that the processing time may vary depending on your bank and Stripe's processing policies. It is advisable to monitor your bank account for the incoming funds after completing this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.